For getting reliable major news articles about Middle East and around the world, kindly subscribe #1 knowledgeable channel Star to Sun and don't forget to click on bell. Dubai businesses voice fears about slow recovery. A series of Dubai ruler Sheikh Mohammed reforms in recent years has failed to revive Dubai's economy, business people have warned, as the Gulf's commercial hub struggles to shake off a 4-year slump. Jobs market facing very bad time too, as less experienced and less expensive staff are working with many months pending salaries. Decreasing oil prices trend creates year 2019 more tough year for businesses in Dubai. Senior business figures and officials are concerned that the crisis, sparked in 2015 by the slide in oil prices, has not eased despite higher crude markets last year, which were expected to boost confidence in a city renowned for recycling petrodollars. Tensions with neighboring Iran, encapsulated in the bloody war in Yemen, as well as the embargo on Qatar, have compounded an already protracted slowdown in trade, tourism and retail. Dubai continues to grapple with oversupply in real estate, sluggish white-collar job growth, high cost of living and tougher enforcement of financial regulation, said Hasnain Malik, head of equity research at Exotics Capital. But its role as a regional hub remains unrivaled. The International Monetary Fund is forecasting a rebound in growth from 3.3% in 2018 to 4.1% this year as the city prepares to host the World Expo in 2020. Dubai's 2019 budget plan envisages steady spending on infrastructure ahead of the event. But the city-state's major business families, active in real estate, construction and retail, have warned about slumps in revenue of as much as 40% this year. "There is little we can do," said one senior Dubai official. "All the geopolitical problems are weighing on the entire region, and us in particular." Official statistics show the Emirates' population surpassing 3.1 meters in 2018, but well-paid executives are moving out to be replaced by less experienced staff. Britons, once the economy's managerial backbone, have been leaving in droves since their UAE population peaked before the oil crash at 130,000, with the last official tally last year pegged at around 100,000. South Asians, who once regarded the city as a repository for wealth away from their domestic taxman, are concerned about greater UAE compliance opening up their holdings to tax scrutiny at home. Real estate prices have fallen almost 30% from their 2014 peak, according to online portal Bayant. The property sector has dragged down the Dubai financial market, one of the world's worst performing bourses in 2018. Lower discretionary spending and dollar-pegged dirhams has hit restaurants and retail. At Mera's Modish Box Park retail development, around half of the outlets have closed since the downturn began in 2015. Long renowned as a tax-free center, the city introduced a federal 5% sales tax at the beginning of 2018, increasing red tape and squeezing consumer sentiment. "All these problems are coming at the same time," said one Emirati businessman. "Wars and taxes are no good." Commercial enterprises complain most vociferously about the cost of government fees, from visa costs to license renewals, which alongside taxes account for 92% of state revenue. Many businesses have called for the introduction of a corporate tax to replace the labyrinthine fee structure. "At least then I can pay taxes when I make money, rather than having to shell out while losing money," said one manager. Leading Dubai businessman Khalif Al-Habtour has added his weight to calls for VAT to be scrapped temporarily and has urged a break on hotel construction. Hoteliers have had to cut room rates to their lowest levels in 14 years to soak up the growing supply of new rooms. Dubai ruler Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al-Maktoum last year held 2 brainstorming sessions with leading business figures, who called for lower fees, tax breaks and rent holidays to attract multinationals. One gathering at the ruler's beach palace resulted in some reforms, including freezing government and private school fees and the introduction of a retirement visa to retain long-standing expatriates. Sheikh Mohammed held a follow-up in the autumn, when attendees presented further policy remedies, including privatization to kickstart markets activity and enhanced medical care. Trouble is, It's too little, too late, said one attendee. For getting reliable major news articles about Middle East and around the world, kindly subscribe number 1 knowledgeable channel Star Tucson and don't forget to click on bell. For getting reliable, knowledgeable major news articles about Saudi Arabia, Middle East and around the world, subscribe our channel Star Tucson and don't forget to click on bell. It's free. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe our channel.